Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I am beautiful and I write beautifully. Today I am going to show you how to improve your English pronunciation in just 7 days. No boring theory, only powerful, practical tips that work. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Day 1. Master the English sounds. English has 44 unique sounds and most learners ignore them. Use apps like Sounds or BBC Learning English to listen and repeat each sound. This is your pronunciation foundation. Day 2. Fix the common mistakes. Words like comfortable, vestibule, Wednesday, and develop. We often say them wrong. Break them down, repeat after native speakers, record yourself, practice makes perfect. Day 3. Stress it right. Word stress can change the meaning. Say it with me. Record noun, re-record verbs. One small stress, big difference.
Day 4. Speak smoothly, linking words. Want to sound more fluent? Start linking words. Want to becomes wanna, going to becomes gonna. This is how real English flows. Day 5. Use the shadowing technique. Choose a short video of a native speaker. Play, pause, and repeat. Match their rhythm, tone, and speed. It's like singing alone, but in English. Day 6. Try tongue twisters. Fun, fast, and super effective. Try this. She sells by the scissor. Practice daily to train your tongue and improve clarity. Day 7. Get feedback and improve. Use apps like Shah Speak, Google pronunciation tool, or get feedback from a teacher or friend. You don't need perfection, you need clarity and confidence. Remember, you don't need a British or American accent to sound good. You just need to be clear, confident, and consistent. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Fluent English with Shah for daily spoken English tips. See you in the next video.